driving the nation on the road to development, spurred on by a resolve to deliver the best transportation solutions. A name synonymous with safety, quality and reliability, Kamal Coachworks is a pioneer in sustainable automobile body manufacturing. Our journey began in 1936 when our founder, late Shri Kamal Kasliwal, started Kamal & Company as a modest shop in Jaipur. In 1948, we forayed into the world of coach building. Today, we have 2 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities to develop a wide range of vehicles. Equipped with the latest machinery, our production plants have sufficient installation capacity to meet the expectations of all buyers. To reduce our carbon footprint, our units house rainwater harvesting and solar power generation systems. We are a passionate team with over 40 highly skilled engineers and a dedicated design team.
We are not a fabrication company, we are an engineering company. We are giving engineering solutions. Behind me, if you will take note, we have our own design certifications, homologation certifications of not just buses, but also a range of ambulances and a wide range of semi-trailers also.
Our product range consists of a wide variety of vehicles, including coaches and passenger buses like tourist coaches, school buses, STU buses and city buses, custom-made medical emergency vehicles like ambulances, mobile medical units, fire trucks, and goods application vehicles like trailers and tippers.
The journey with the customer starts by understanding their need, which varies with use and it varies substantially, so one size does not fit all, and hence we engage with the customer at the design level to understand the core usage, and then we propose a solution which will be the most cost effective and product efficient and bring out the best usage for a wide product life.
At Kamal Coachworks, we believe that quality is paramount. We strictly adhere to all the latest international quality and safety standards. That is why we have been awarded with various certificates of standard adherence, ISO 9001-2008 and AIS certificates for homologation of design of our products. Rigorous testing at each stage of the manufacturing process helps us deliver nothing but the best products to our customers.
That is something very important to us. Hence, we and the professional team of quality analysts and associates we have are available at every stage of manufacturing, right from the input material to the last pre-dispatch inspections.
Over the decades, we have developed coaches for government and private enterprises. Our satisfied clientele includes institutions and customers across the country, from Himachal and Uttarakhand in the north to Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala in the south. From our home state of Rajasthan in the west to Meghalaya in the east. Furthermore, we have had the privilege of serving many prestigious automobile manufacturers and fleet operators. We have also had the honor of manufacturing and supplying a fleet of minibuses for the 1982 Asian Games.
We are privileged to have worked in the past and continue to be working with Tata Motors, who are our biggest customers in as far as tippers and dumpers are concerned. In our semi-trailer line, we have had the support of the most well-known fleet operators of this part of the country, starting with and not limiting to New Jaishankar Transport, Santosh Gill Earth Movers, Khaitan Logistics, Tanushri, KMT. These have been customers who have taught us along the way and supported us all along.
75 years of trust and excellence. Kamal Coachworks, delivering our promises.